Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. And if you need to find where the fuse for the right low beam headlight is located, for the right headlight, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. It's a little bit hidden fuse, it's not as obvious as you think, but we'll show you it's easily accessible once you know where it's located. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let me show you where that fuse is located now, guys. So this is the Fiat on the inside. You have a fuse box under the hood, but it's not there, guys. Okay, actually it's a fuse known as F12, and if you pay attention, if you come right here next to the pedals, you have a fuse box, guys. Okay, right there, this is your fuse box. As you can see, that's the one, okay, for the fuses. So which fuse you need to check, guys? Okay, F12 for the right headlight will be the very top fuse right here, okay, on the left side, this fuse right here. And if you need to replace it, all we have to do is grab it. Okay, pretty simple, guys. Pull it out. And if you want to see how to test the fuse, because sometimes it could be, okay, let me get the other pliers. Okay, a little bit bigger pliers. If you need to buy replacement fuses, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping. But it actually comes with a fuse puller as well, so it's really convenient because you just go on top of the fuse. Okay, this one is super inconvenient. Let me just, okay, like that. Perfect. Okay, let me just get it with the right hand because practically with the left one I'm lost. And pull it out. This is, guys, the fuse. Okay, right there. If you want to see how to test the fuse, we have a video on the channel that will teach you guys how to do that. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, because sometimes it may seem like a good fuse, but I will always recommend to test them if you're in doubt. It can save you quite a bit of trouble, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.